So this is the Vintage Coach Carnival Bag, style number 9925. And this specific bag was made in the US in 1995. And what's unique and kind of special about this bag is that I believe that it's in the somewhat more rare color coral. I could be wrong, I'm not 100% sure of the color, but that would be my guess because it is kind of a nice burnt orange color, and apparently coral was a limited edition color in 1995. I found in an old catalog that I found online in a Facebook group. So that's kind of how I know, and it is different than red. I'll show you a comparison. Here's a red bag. As you can see, they're different colors. It does look kind of similar to red, but more of an orange. So here it is next to a red bag, and then here it is next to a British tan bag. As you can see, it's definitely more of an orange than the tan, and it's definitely more of an orange than the red. So I do think that it's likely the color coral, but I'm not 100% sure. So that's pretty cool. It's the first bag I've found in that specific color. But anyway, I'll go ahead and show you the bag now. So it is a small crossbody bag. Here is the detachable crossbody straps, so you could, I guess, technically detach the straps here on the sides and just carry it as a little clutch, which would be pretty cute, or you can carry it as a crossbody. So you've got those two options, and then it does have this slip pocket here on the front, and then here's what the side looks like, and here's what the little crossbody strap looks like where it connects to the bag, and then here's the back. And obviously you can see the main difference between the back and the front is the slip pocket. And then when we open the bag, it does have a zip closure here up top with a little leather zipper pull, I mean. And then when we open the bag, it does have a few little pin marks, unfortunately, on the inside, but obviously they don't go through to the other side, so it's just on the inside. And then this one doesn't have a pocket here on the main body of the bag, but it does have this outside pocket. And then here's the creed, so you can see that the bag is authentic. So that's the Carnival bag in the color, the somewhat more rare color that I would estimate is coral, like I mentioned before. And it is available in our Etsy shop if you wanted to check it out. It's a really cute bag, and I'm sure whoever ends up with it will really enjoy it. So I will link it below, but otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.